have been receiving package, but this one is a special one. Organic Academy. Angie's Hair sent me some stuff, so let's begin to unbox it. And this is a period. Like, this thing is so special. This is my 14 inches PC Coes full fridge from Angie's Hair, and this is a period. Check out now, quality they cry. See quality now. Guys, check it out. See quality. Quality they cry. Why do you understand me? Look at the coins. Hey, Angie's Hair. You gonna finish my money, Angie's Hair. Guinea. Let's begin to try it out. And this is on period. When I say O'Shea, you say baddest, luxury or nothing. Check out this hair. Check out this PC Coes. This is 14 inches PC Coes from Angie's Hair. Luxury or nothing. This hair is 200 grams. I got this hair for 155k. Yes, 155k is a full fridge PC Coes 14 inches. This is the bag. It's so full. I not comb down. If I comb down, everywhere go yakpa. So now it's looking like this, and it's so beautiful. Like, I'm loving it. Let me take it off and try the second one. That one is on period. When I say O'Shea, you say baddest. This is what we're talking about. So let's unbox this one. This one they turn me on. This hair they turn me on. This is the Bone Straight. This week came pre-plucked, glueless, and bleached off. Guys, check out this wig now. Like the look, everything. Jesus. Check it out. This wig is a glueless wig. See, I did not install this wig. Let's take it out. Can you see? Can you see? Then bring it down. Cha-cha. It's a glueless wig. For those of you that is struggling to install your hair, you need this kind of wig in your life. This is 26 inches Bone Straight from Angie's Hair with the ear-to-ear frontal wig. And this hair cost me 555k. Unayera, in case you want to go and patronize her, you want to get it for yourself like this one, and we all women dream now. I need to stretch out the life of this hair. Like, this is on period. Angie's Hair, organic Academy. Check it out. Oh, can see this hair came pre-plucked, bleached, and glueless. So I got this one for my elder sister, and it's also beautiful. This one is PC Coes, and this one is 150k. And the inches, I think it's 12 inches. So I got this one for my sister. I'm going to tag her to this video. Just add her up in case you need. Take a screenshot, send it to her like, Angie's Hair, I need this hair that you gave to Chacha. This will not be what you order versus what you get. As it did for me, so you screenshot and send her and say that's what you take one time. She's going to deliver because now she do it for me. So it cost me 555,000. This is 26 inches. You can get a shorter length if you want. So the longer the length, the longer the money. The shorter the length, the shorter the money. So go patronize her, add her up, and then you come and thank me later.